What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I took a couple days off from recording, actually went down to the beach and relaxed. So we're gonna kick things off back with another throwback paint scheme. And today, we're gonna try to recreate some of Carl Edwards' different paint schemes. So I'm thinking, for one, we might be able to do, and now keep in mind, guys, these, just like all the other ones, are not gonna be spot on. I think we can try to do his 99 Office Depot car that he had, which was red, white, and black. It was a Ford, so we are obviously changing it to a Ford right now as we speak. There we are. Numbers, he had like the swooping 9, kind of like that, down at the bottom with the hook. That's a little bit too rounded. Let's do this for right now. So let's see what paint scheme makes the most sense with this. Just a little swoosh on the side. Perfect. I could probably run that one right there, but you're going to be minus the white. So the downside of doing this scheme, so if we change the paint to, it's like a bright red, so we'll do the bright red. The downside to running this scheme is you're like kind of minus the white around the black. But we'll go ahead and throw some white decals on there just for shits and giggles and see what other paint schemes we can do. Let's throw Eris on there. On the side, we'll do something that kind of blends pretty well. Let's do Brant. Back to Eris. Where are we at? There we are. Deck lid, his deck lid was white, so we can throw just anything random on there. That's perfectly fine. Let's go different. Let's go with pilot, and then on the rear we'll run once again Eris. So not good by any means, right? I mean, somebody will get what the hell you're going with there, but we want to take it a step further and see what we can do here. So we can run this, run that a little bit, maybe too much white, some would say. You could always switch this and that and run that. Still not 100% perfect. Let's see what else we can roll with. Guess we could run something similar like this and just put red down on the bottom where the white is there, but you can't because, well, yeah, we can. So what we'll do is we'll change this to the bright red and then change this red to white. That paint scheme I thought would be fairly simple is not fairly simple at all. Yeah, it looks like that's all we're probably gonna get for the Office Depot car. Let's see, what other cars does he have that we could attempt to make? We could attempt to make his Fastenal car, which was like a baby blue. That, make the red into white, and despite the fact of it not having thick black on there, you could leave it black and do that way and run his 99 Fastenal car. I'd really like to be able to make like the OG Scott car. Let's see if I can find a good picture of that car to see. Let's go back. Type it in over here. His OG Scott car is going to be kind of hard to make looking at it now because it's got the green hood and the green side. So let's see. But he also had black on the hood. I mean, this is not ideal. run. Let's see how that looks. Well, he's got another stripe, so which stripe does that change? That changes the top. I kind of like having the white up top to kind of contrast it. Yeah, I like keeping the white up top there. So you can do that. There was one other car of his that I definitely wanted to try, and that was more recent. And that was actually using his Eris car. So, in order to do that, we're going to have to go all the way down to number 19. This was in his later years, getting ready for retirement, getting ready to kick back, relax, and enjoy life after NASCAR. I'm ready to enjoy life in NASCAR. Chances are that won't happen. So he had bright red. We're going to change our primary to like a bright orange. We'll go with that one. And I think it was this paint scheme here that I ran. You could run that, so definitely run that. Now, he had red lettering on the side occasionally, which I'm not necessarily a fan of, so we're going to go back to the white on black. I feel like the white with black outline is going to make this car look a little bit better. And changing the number up a little bit is going to make this car a little bit better. There's nothing really super good looking. Even that one's not that great looking, but we'll roll with it. So if I change, I could also run like that and run the 19 Eris. Could run that. That actually doesn't look bad at all. I'd run that. Not a fan of that. Not a fan of that. Could run that. That actually looks pretty damn good. Could almost run that identical, similar to like a Tony Stewart type paint scheme. But I think that's all you're really going to be able to run with Carl Edwards. We'll go back to one that looks decent, whether it's that one. Obviously changing that one back, so we'll leave it like this for right now. Anyway, guys, I appreciate the support on this series. You guys are actually really getting me more and more views, more thumbs up, and I appreciate that. All the recommendations that you guys are putting in the comment section down below, I am jotting them down on a notebook, and I will get to them eventually. It's just a matter of finding time to be able to do all of them and record all of them. But as stated before, I would like to do a 40-man lobby running all of these different paint schemes once we hit 40 different paint schemes, and I think it will look legit. And then I will most likely do my first live stream feed with everybody that is included in that race of doing a race. No, it's not going to be a full 100% long race, but I am 100% ready to do that. So anyway, guys, if this was your first time watching a video on the channel, drop your recommendations down below for what you guys think I should do next. Join us on our journey to 10,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.